This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kevin Marrow. This beautifully remodeled 4-bedroom 2-bath home features a perfectly appointed split floor plan. As you enter this home, you are met with an open concept kitchen and family room warmly lit with natural light with sliding doors leading to the pool area. Off to the other side is a dining and living room space featuring a wood-burning fireplace and sliding doors that open to the pool area. The beautifully updated kitchen features all wood cabinets, quartz countertops and high-end appliances. With 5 sliding glass doors leading to the screened-in/covered pool patio, this home is perfect for enjoying all the amenities all year round. Sitting just 15 minutes from the beautiful Gulf beaches and close to Bardmore Golf and Tennis Club. New roof 2022. For more information, review the details below.